Hey, we're here at the 2026 Jacksonville RV Show in Jacksonville, Florida at the Equestrian Center. And here we're looking at the Power Blade Vacuum Silicone Squeegee for windows and especially your RV windows. All right, so tell us about this product.
Absolutely, you guys. So if you were to ask any professional window cleaning service why they use Dawn dish soap in cold temperature water, it's because it cuts the grease, the grime, and the fingerprints the very best way. Now, when treating yourself and taking one home today, you will always start by washing the surface first. Now that the hard part's over, this is where the magic starts. So like every great power tool, we're going to charge this up in about 2 to 4 hours, and you'll get 5 hours of playtime. Start by turning the device on, and yes, you can go in any direction you'd like, including upside down if that's what makes you happy. However, I've learned over the years the easiest and the fastest way to go about is top to bottom. Now, because we made our blades silicone, if you're using it every single day, you'll get 5 years out of one blade, but it also allows you to glide without making mistakes, streaks, or smears, and just keep going. Now, once your tank does get full, pull the blue jelly tab right over your bucket into the sink or toilet. And that's it.
Now you mentioned how long it will run for?
So if you're running it consecutively, it'll last 5 hours. If you're not using it every single day, it'll hold a charge for a week.
That's great. That's
yes.
Great. And this is a special pricing at the show, right?
So yes, I almost forgot. So online, we sell the Power Blade for $179.99. You get the large blade, the Power Blade, the applicator, and one microfiber cleaning pad. Today at the show, we do 3 things for you. We take $50 off the top, which now is $129.99. Second thing I get to do for you is I throw in the $30 accessory kit for free, which gets you the small blade, an extra microfiber cleaning pad, and an extra set of silicone replacement blades. And then the first 10 customers will also get my telescopic pull for free. So we can go from 2 feet to 4 feet to 6 feet to get to the real high up windows.
That's really, really up there, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Treat yourself today. We take all cards and cash.
All right,
and that's
thank you so much for this presentation.
Yeah.
And once again, open the doors to adventure.
Set all your journeys with
the RVkeys. Have a great day.